All right, so region number three, probably the most important one. This region will tell you a C double bond O. Anything that have C double bond O, what functional groups are those? Aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, amine, esters. There are a lot of them, okay? And there are more than that too. Also C double bond C, also in this region as well. All right. Let's take a look at this one. So on your handout, you will have this is the third empty the IR spectrum. Okay, so we're gonna walk you through it. All right, don't do anything yet. So I'm gonna go repeat the process. Every time when you have an IR spectrum, what do? Draw the line at 3000, right below it sp3ch, right above it sp2ch, and right above it at 3300, that spch. Region number two on the left side, so you see a broad peak. This one, if it's symmetrical, that's an alcohol, OH. All right. If it is asymmetrical, that's a carboxylic acid, usually accompanied with C bond O at 1715. And H, primary amine, 2 spikes, and secondary amine, 1 spike. Okay. All right. At region number three, I would like you to draw the line, draw together. If you have the handout, bring this, go to this page, draw the line at 1700. All right. Draw the line at 1700. Let's go do together. If you see a peak right above it, about 1715, aldehyde, ketone, and acid right there. Okay, aldehyde, ketone, and acid. That's a peak right above 1700 line. Usually show up at 1715, 1720, 1725, 30, maybe up to 30, but it's around there. All right. If you see a peak even right above it, about 1735, that an ester. Okay, if you take an organic chemistry with me, all right, in OChem 1, I told you do not memorize everything except pKa tables. In organic chemistry 2, if you take organic chemistry 2 with me, there are a few numbers I would like you to memorize. One of them is 1715. Okay, 1715, that's your reference point, because ester right above 1715, 1735, 1740, about that. All right, and below 1715 or below 1700 line, you will see 1685. Those are amines. It tells you the functional group right here, so you should be able to tell the difference between the location. So draw the line at 1700. It helps. All right, so 1715 aldehyde ketone acid, 1735 and ester above 1715, if you don't remember it. Below 1715, about 1685, 1680, 1690, it's around there. These are amines. Okay, primary, secondary amines, it'll show you you see like the spike, 2 spikes around here as well. And below the lowest one in this region, C double bond C, usually weak, usually medium, but most of the time maybe not that important. But if you see it, it helps. 1625, that's C double bond C. All right. Now the problem is right here. Aldehyde, ketone acid, they show up really similar, but just right in this region, 1715. How would you differentiate them? Okay, so all of them have 1715. Well, the easiest one, I think you guys can answer this, but I'm going to ask anyway. How would you tell carboxylic acid apart from aldehyde and ketone? Well, you're going to see the asymmetrical broad peak right over there, region number 2. Okay, that's carboxylic acid. Easy to tell the difference. All right, that's it. Now, what about aldehyde and ketone? What's the difference in structure? Not IR, in structure. Well, an aldehyde has a CH bond right here. Okay, this CH bond usually come up in 2 peaks together, a double peak right there. I'll take a look. This is prominaldehyde. All right, you're gonna see 1715 right here, about 1715. Right? How do you know this is an aldehyde? Well, this will come up with 27, 2800 double peaks. It's gonna come in double, not just 12700, not just 12800. It's gonna come together, 27, 2800 line. Okay, so that's tell you that's an aldehyde. Now look at the ketone. Look at the ketone. Ketone, just the 1715, no 27, 2800 double peak. That's how you tell the difference. All right. All right, let's practice this together on the next video. Okay, so first off, before you look at the those 4 spectra, look at this compound, look at the structure of it first. Okay, and make a list of things. Just think, how will you tell the difference between all these 4 compounds? All right, let's move on to the next video.